Today I am going to make easy and tasty mango ice cream. Now let's get started. Here we have 1.5 cup of chopped mango, cup of fresh cream, half cup of cold milk, half cup of milk made. Let's put all the ingredients into the mixer jar. Blend all together. Mix is ready. Now let's pour into a bowl. Stop the tray by removing the air bubbles. Let's cover the tray with foil paper. Freeze for 5 hours. Pour into a large bowl. Beat with hand beater. Or blend with the mixer grinder. Ice cream mix is ready. Let's pour into a container. Let's add half cup of chopped mango on it. Just tap for removing the air bubbles. Cover the container and keep it in a freezer for 12 hours. My mango ice cream is ready to serve. Friends, please try this ice cream. Please subscribe, like and support. Thank you for watching.